Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on DreamComeTrue AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in DreamComeTrue.ai and press enter. Now once you do this, you can click on the Join Now button at the top right corner or the center section to continue forth to the sign in page. Now once you end up in the sign in page, you will have the option to log into your account first, but in order to delete your account, you can simply submit a ticket. So click on the Submit a Ticket button underneath the Login button, and now you will be allowed to submit your ticket. First of all, from the top section, click on Submit Ticket once again, and now you will be able to create your ticket. Go ahead and within the subject, type in Delete My Account, and then in the Priority section, make sure you choose High in order to receive your response in time. Within the department, you can simply select Customer Support, and within your message, simply type in that you want to delete your account. Then fulfill your further information such as your username, the name of your project, and then your email address. Then type in your email address once again to confirm it, and if you have any attachments that you want to upload, you can also click on Choose File to upload any attachment. Then simply click on the captcha box to verify your identity, and then you can click on the Submit button to submit your ticket to the DreamComeTrue AI team. Once you submit your ticket, you will receive an email within 2 to 3 working days, within which you will receive the answers to your query. So hopefully you will receive some response with step-by-step instructions on how to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.